Instagram, as we all know, is one of the most popular forms of social media these days. We share our personal stories, we share posts maybe of our business ideas or ventures, or maybe we are sharing something meaningful. No matter what we want to post on Instagram, it's probably going to cause a reaction to other people from across the world. That may be a positive reaction with likes and beautiful comments, or you could end up getting the negative reactions from toxic or negative people. That's just part and parcel of social media, right? I'm here to teach you today on how to limit who can comment on your posts. If you're trying to send a powerful, meaningful message, then you don't want your post filled up with horrible comments. So in today's video, let me show you how you can somewhat protect your posts with who can comment on them. So the step one is to open up your Instagram app and then tap on your profile picture down in the bottom right hand corner. The next thing you want to do is tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then tap on settings. The next thing you want to tap on is privacy. Then tap on comments. Tap on allow comments from, and then here you can see your options. Adjust these settings accordingly, and then the last step is to block users if necessary. Now in here I'm unfortunately blocking Beyonce, but I'm going to show you how to unblock it too, and that's how easy it is to limit who can comment on your Instagram posts. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.